Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'll want to give you a brief summary of my analysis of 1st of October 2025, and I was able to manage my trade to an extent that I didn't lose any amount on this trade. So I'll go ahead and share my screen of how I usually handle the market. First, I usually come to Forex Factory, check if there's any news at that particular time that I want to trade or that day. So as you can see, we've got a news at 3:15, ADP and farm employment change, and 5 p.m. ISM manufacturer PMI. So this news will affect the market at this particular time. So and I always start trading at around 3, so 3 a.m. So this won't affect my trading. So the next I'll go to market sentiment. From market sentiment, it just give me a brief idea of where, okay, in summary, I usually check to see where most retail traders have placed their position. So from this data, I can be able to see there are so many sellers more than buyers on this particular market. So in that case, I'll focus on buy more than sells because retail traders are always liquidity for the market, for the big boys and the big institution. So I'll trade against the retail traders. So that gives me a rough idea where the market is moving to. So let me go to technical analysis of this market. First, I'll cut my charts to that specific time. Around 3:30 there. So when I woke up, I came to the charts. This is how the pattern of the charts were looking like. So I wasn't sure if the market is going to buy because this was the previous high, the all-time high. So by this time, I wish the market had closed above this all-time high for us to be sure that the market is going to buy. So I wasn't so clear of the direction of the market. But from the market sentiment, I can be able to have a bias in the market that the market is going to buy because so many people are on sales. So I patiently waited for the market to play out. So I'll continue playing as we observe. So it formed a low here. So that low is my support. So I was waiting for a candlestick pattern to form so that I can take a buy. So this is my support. So I'm waiting for a candlestick pattern to form. So let's play the market. Awesome. So these two bullish candlesticks engulf the bearish candlestick. So I decided I'll enter the market from this particular point. So my stop loss is around, I usually have a fixed stop loss, 60 pips. And then I'll do TP1, 1 to 1. So I'll just indicate my TPs. So that is TP1. So I'll mark my TP1 with this horizontal line. Then I'll just that's okay. And then let me mark my TP2. I'll mark my TP2 this point. And then let me mark my TP3. TP3 is always 1 to 3. That's my TP3. So let me play the market. So the market moved on well. So this is the thing. When the market uh took TP1 from this point, I decided to break even. And the reason why I did that is because this candlestick was not able to close above the previous all-time high. So I knew we'll get some reversal from this particular point. So I decided to break even. I moved my stop loss to this point. So when the market was moving on opposite direction, it hit my break even. So the only profit I made from this trade is TP1. And then the small profits, because I usually put my break even just above my entry so that I get at least a bit of profits from that entry. So I was able to bank the 60 pips and then plus 20 pips. So basically that is 100 pips. That's what I was able to make from this trade. So if I play this market, that candlestick, if I wasn't able to move my stop loss to break even, could have hit my stop loss, could have gone into loss. So I waited. So the thing is, I was able to wait patiently for the market to make its moves. But this was purely manipulation of the market. Let me play the whole thing. So I'm sure some people waited for this low to be taken for them to enter the market, and then this candlestick hit their stop loss. But let's see how the market played out. Look at what happened. This is where the market is right now. Almost at 900. So you need to be very, very careful. So all this was just manipulation. Clear direction of the market was uptrend. So I was just assuming, but I can never do that. That I was assuming if I was able to move my stop loss up to this low, I could have managed to gain all these moves in this market. But I can't do that. I always follow my strategy and my plan. So that's a brief summary of how the market played us in the morning. But I'm still on the charts. I'll find a good trade for us to make good money. Thank you.